The world you once knew is dead. The stability your parents worshipped has now become a financial death sentence in this rapidly evolving digital age. AI is not just coming to do your work, it is coming to completely redefine the very value of human existence and professional survival. You are standing before a mathematical warning. 1 + 1 no longer equals 2 in this new economy where old rules have failed us. Look around at the headlines of mass layoffs. This isn't just news, it is a cold, hard signal that the game of employment has changed. Deep in the data centers, algorithms are calculating your replacement. The mathematical certainty of automation is a force no one can escape or ignore. We are entering a transition where skills that took a lifetime to master are being replaced by code in a matter of seconds and minutes. This is not just advice, this is an urgent warning. If you do not adapt now, you are mathematically destined for total professional and financial obsolescence. That straight line of stability you were promised is a lie. It is a path that leads directly to a sudden and irreversible financial abyss. Stability was a luxury of the past century. In the current era, the pursuit of safety is the most dangerous gamble you can take. Time is running out for those who believe the old system will protect them. The clock of the traditional workforce has finally stopped ticking. Prepare yourself for the storm. The mathematical foundations of our economy are shifting, and only those who move fast will survive the coming flood. Welcome to the gilded cage. You sit in a modern office, but the air feels heavy with the scent of a dying career and routine. The monthly paycheck is the most dangerous drug in the world. It is designed to keep you comfortable while your true potential slowly withers away. Every pay cycle, the system injects you with a dose of financial heroin. It numbs the pain of your unfulfilled dreams and kills your ambition. You think you are secure? You are just a well-fed pet in a golden cage, kept quiet so you won't remember how to hunt anymore. The door to the outside world is locked from the inside by your own fear. You have traded your freedom for the illusion of safety. When the master stops throwing the bone, you will realize you have lost your instincts. Dependence on a single source of income is professional suicide. The corporate ladder is a treadmill designed to keep you busy while the owners reap the rewards of your most productive years of life. The comfort you feel right now is the greatest threat to your future. It is a slow poison that kills your ability to take risks. Listen to the sound of your chains. They are made of debt, mortgages, and the desperate need to maintain a lifestyle you don't even enjoy. Who are you when the job title is gone? Most people have no answer, because they have let their identity be consumed by their employer. True security does not come from a boss, it comes from your ability to provide value to the market independently of any single company. It is time to break the cycle of dependency. The system wants you to be a consumer, not a creator, so you stay forever trapped. Holding on to your safe job is like holding on to a sinking ship because the deck chairs are comfortable and the food is free. You must rediscover your inner predator. The world is changing, and only those with a hunter's mindset will find opportunity in the chaos ahead. Shed the weight of false status. Trade your golden handcuffs for the tools of a builder and the spirit of a pioneer in the digital. The walls of your office are imaginary. The only thing keeping you there is the belief that you cannot survive without their monthly permission. Wake up to the reality of your potential. You were built for more than just filling out spreadsheets and attending meaningless meetings all day. The current education system was designed for the Industrial Revolution. It is training soldiers for a war that ended 100 years ago. Schools were built to create obedient factory workers. They teach you how to follow orders, not how to build wealth or master new technologies. Your brain has been programmed with faulty code. You have been taught that debt is normal and that a job is the only path. We must begin the process of deprogramming. Delete the lies you were told about career paths and the nature of work in the modern world. Lesson number 1. Stop looking for a job. Instead, look for problems that people are willing to pay to have solved in this economy. Lesson number 2. Master the machine. If you don't learn how to use AI as a leverage, you will be crushed by those who do. Lesson number 3. Build digital assets. Your physical presence is limited, but your digital creations can work for you 24 hours every single day. Lesson number 4. Develop irreplaceable skills. Focus on creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking, the things that algorithms still find impossible to replicate or simulate. Speed is the new currency. In a world where information moves at the speed of light, perfection is the enemy of progress and wealth. Relearn how to learn. The ability to acquire new skills quickly is the only way to stay relevant when industries are being disrupted overnight. Information is free, but wisdom is rare. Stop consuming junk content and start building the knowledge base that will sustain your future empire. You are at a critical junction. The old way is a path to obsolescence. The new way requires courage, constant learning, and radical self-reliance. Don't fight the technology. Embrace it. Use AI to amplify your strengths and eliminate your weaknesses, making you a superhuman force in the market. Clarity is power. Once you see the system for what it is, you can no longer be controlled by its outdated myths and false promises. Master your mind first. The biggest obstacle to your financial freedom is not the economy. It's the limiting beliefs stored in your own subconscious. It's time for a system update. The industrial age software in your head is crashing. Install the entrepreneur's mindset and take control of your life. Become the authority in your niche. In the digital economy, your personal brand is the only resume that actually matters to the world. Life is a game of strategy, not hard labor. It's time to move your pieces with intention and start thinking several moves ahead of everyone. Every dollar you earn is not meant for consumption. It is a soldier. Your job is to command these soldiers to go out and fight. Send your army into the battlefield of the markets. Let them capture new territory in stocks, real estate, and digital businesses while you sleep soundly. Warren Buffett didn't get rich through a salary. He became wealthy by commanding his financial army with a cold and ruthless strategic discipline. Each soldier that returns brings back prisoners of war, more dollars to join your ranks. This is the secret of compound interest and wealth building. Understand the flow. Money should never sit still. It must be deployed constantly to acquire more assets that generate even more cash flow for you. You are the general of your own personal financial empire. Every decision you make determines whether your army thrives or perishes in the market. Equip your soldiers with the latest technology. Use AI tools to find the best opportunities and manage your risks with superhuman precision and speed. The form of wealth is changing, but the principles of command remain the same. Adapt your strategy to the digital landscape of the 21st century. Don't look for quick wins. Look for strategic advantages. Building an empire takes time, patience, and a relentless focus on the long-term objective. Build your fortress. Your assets should provide a wall of protection that no economic storm or job market crash can ever knock down. Wealth is the ultimate form of protection for those you love. It buys you the most precious commodity in the world, the gift of time. Imagine a life where you don't work for money, but money works tirelessly for you. This is the reality for those who master their capital. Release your soldiers to find the best ground. Diversify your army across different markets and sectors to ensure survival in any economic climate. The goal is to promote your capital. Turn your small savings into a powerful force that can dominate the board and win the game. Stop chasing the money. Start attracting it by building the systems and assets that the world finds valuable and is willing to pay for. Strategy is your greatest weapon. Without it, you are just working hard for nothing. With it, you are an unstoppable force of nature. Your future self is counting on the decisions you make today. Don't let him down by choosing the easy path of temporary, false security. The world is your marketplace. Command your soldiers to find value anywhere on earth and bring it back to your growing personal financial empire. Close your eyes and imagine you 80 years old, sitting on a rocking chair, looking back at the life you have lived. What do you see in your memories? Do you see a life of adventure and risk, or a life spent hiding in a cubicle? The pain of discipline weighs ounces, but the pain of regret weighs tons. This is the hardest lesson to learn when it is too late. Time is the only thing you can never get back. Once it's gone, no amount of money or stability can buy even 1 second more. Don't let your younger self be disappointed in the person you chose to become. Choose the path of growth, even if it feels terrifying right now. The illusion of stability is a comfortable bed on a sinking ship. You feel safe until the moment the water reaches your neck and lungs. You have a choice right now. You can continue to sleep in the golden cage, or you can step out into the unknown wild world. The sentence for seeking stability has been passed. You are either a builder of your own empire or a servant in someone else's factory. Tear up the contract of mediocrity. Refuse to accept a life of quiet desperation and manufactured safety that leads to a certain financial death. Start building today. Use the tools of the new era to create a life of freedom, impact, and true security that you actually control yourself. The world is waiting for those who are brave enough to leave the shore. Will you choose the illusion of stability or the reality of freedom?